Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today to make another ICAD. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. So this is day 3 of our 30-day challenge, and in fact my friends are on Zoom right now. I got them on mute, but I am here with the day's challenge, which the challenge is stamp. So you can use whatever that word stamp means to you. That's what you got to do. So stamp. So I decided I was going to use this rubbernecker. This is a new stamp, and his name is Malik. So I colored him with my Spectrum War, and I already fussy cut him out just to expedite time. I have a 4x6 index card that I've already been gessoed because I want to use some gelatos. I have some Illustrated Faith ephemera that I got from Tuesday morning, and I pulled them out the pack, which you've probably seen these at Tuesday morning before, but anyway, I think I'm going to use these two. And then I just want to use some of the gelatos, and these are the King Art gelatos I think I'm going to try. I think I'll break into that pack because I hadn't used them yet. So I'm going to just use my baby wipe technique and do that. And then I'm going to adhere him down, and then that will be my ICAD for today, I believe. So I'm trying to think what colors I want to do with him. Hopefully, these are metallic. So I don't know if you guys have used these before, but they're like crayons, but they're waxy, a little creamy. You can smear with water over your fingers and baby wipes, and I'm just going to use the baby wipe today. But I'm trying to think. I think I'm going to use these. Kind of a rainbow effect, maybe. I don't know. It's got the purple on too and the blue. I don't know what I want to use. But I want I think I want a gradient. No, I think I'm just doing both the greens. I think I'm just going to try it. We'll see how it works out. And so you just, you know, I haven't used the metallic ones before, but I've used different types of gelatos. Haven't used this brand before. So we'll see how it responds and reacts. I can see the metallic in it. Really don't have to put that much down. Of course, I put down way more than I probably need, because once you smear it, hopefully, the smearability, if that's such a word, will work nicely. It also reminds me of lipstick. You know, when you look at it, it's creamy, like a lipstick, waxy like a crayon, yet it's a little bit more. But anyway, so we'll see how this works. So it's kind of a different background, soft, you know, not too overbearing, overpowering. Does react with water. So that is my little background. And then I am you can smear with your fingers too. And I think that's all I'm going to do there. I'm going to heat set it. You don't have to because it's not wet. Oh, my light's going out because I just hit the plug. And I just knocked the plug out. So, yeah. I don't even know if that's going to work because it's not wet. But you know, sometimes when you heat things, it makes it just a little bit. It's just got a little moisture from the baby wipe on it. Actually, you know what? I think I want to. I'm sorry, my lights went out. See if I can get a little bit of a gradient effect. Some of them react better with water than other ones, but I feel like this needs up on it. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Hopefully you guys will play along with us. The index card that ICAD today. It's just a challenge to get you to use up your products, to be creative, and use up your scraps and just do different styles of art for 30 days. So the prompts are just something to guide you to do to add to that particular index card. It could be 3x5 or 4x6. I have chosen to use a 4x6 only because that's the size I like. And then you didn't have to do that. That's just me being extra special. Anyway, so this is what I'm going to do, basically, and I'm just going to glue him down. He will be my stamped image. Okay, got a piece of hair up here. Oh, don't want that. I mean, seriously though, hair gotta be everywhere. It's all on my tape runner. Alright. So we're gonna glue him down. But if you want to play along, you know, you might be a day or two behind us, but that's behind me or behind, you can check out Miss Little Scrap at her page as well, because she's going to be posting hers. It looks good against that background, I think. And then put down this little sentiment. Boom. It says he must become greater. What in the world did I get some up there? Was that already up there? Nope, I got up there. Okay. And then where did my little arrow go? For the increase. And I think I'm trying to think if I want to try to trace around without making a mess. I think I'm going to use a little charcoal pencil and just or not a smudge outline, but just a little outline. And then I got my tape hanging off here. But it's just fun to do these little ICAD challenges because, especially with the prompts, because it makes you not just throw anything on paper, even though you still can, but it makes you think, okay, how can I incorporate that into my index card? And these are kind of like artist trading cards, except you don't necessarily trade these, although you can trade anything you want. But they're just usually for you to keep yourself motivated, creative. And that's how I look at my agency most of the time too. Just to try something different, and I don't worry about if it's too perfect, you know, or anything like that. I just like to try. And let's see, let's just do a little small. I'm not going to smear it or anything. Just want a little trace around. Nothing too expensive, but if you do decide to play along, do 757 hashtag 757 ICAD challenge, so I can see you. Or, you know, if you comment below and say, hey, come check out my video on my Instagram so I can come see it. I love to see what you make. In our group, we just, you know, we do things to challenge ourselves constantly, and I love it. I think it's fun to do that. I think I want gold maybe. I don't know if that's going to be too much. But do I care if it's too much? No! I cannot get this lid off this. I mean, seriously, this lid, this top, off of this daggone. Woo! It does not want to come off every time I reach for it. Alright, so I'm just going to do, only because the gold kind of matches the colors. That paint smell. Ooh! Smell that paint. But, yeah, I hope you guys want to play along and try. I mean, if you don't have anything going on, you just want to be challenged, come and check us out. Make one yourself. Even if you don't post it, you know. Play along and see if you can be encouraged and try the prompt every single day. And to do it. So again, today's prompt was a stamp. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that I did change his lips. So I showed my friends on Zoom and they laughed at his lips. So I made his lip stalker. I won't say what they said, but it was hysterical. Anyway, so I was out of brown, and I know the color I had wasn't correct, but anyway, I darkened his lips. So that's the final project. I just wanted to show you that. And so anyway, hopefully you'll play along. Again, it's hashtag ICAD challenge. Hashtag ICAD 757 ICAD challenge. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless.